So, Scott, we meet a lot of people that don't know what it's like to work with the stager. Maybe we should talk about that so that people understand what the process is like.
Well, for sure. I feel like, staging is the gold standard on the East and West Coast, and it's more of an emerging, market here in Las Vegas. But I think we have really developed a name being in business as long as we have. I mean, most people think of us as a vacant luxury stager, but we have a broad range of services. And when people call us, they can expect us to take them from A to Z to get their home ready for sale. We really strive to cover all the details, meet with the clients, get them a proposal. Once everybody's comfortable with the scope and range of what we're doing, that's when we get you involved. And
that's when I get involved.
That's where the design really starts. We custom curate that design to speak to that most likely buyer.
Yeah, and we do occupied or partially furnished stages. We do DIYs. We do this. It's a 20-page booklet where we tell everybody everything that they need to know to do it themselves so that they can showcase their home at the best. So there's really something for everyone. And of course we do standard level stages too. We want everybody's home to show. So we've got something for everybody.
I mean, we did a double wide trailer last year all the way up to an $8 million home.
We did that in 1 week. We did one and we did the double wide, and then we went over to the luxury. That was so fun.